Thank you so much for coming. I'm so excited to tell you about an idea that I've been working on. It's still in the beginning stages, but I have a lot already video recorded and planned out for you. So let's just go back and imagine something for a minute. So imagine you had planned to fix spaghetti tonight. And, this is what happened to me the other day. Work was busy, the cat got sick, we had to take him to the vet, we got the last appointment of the day. And by the time I get home, we're hungry and I don't feel like making spaghetti anymore. I'm done. It's not going to work today. So what do? Do you call Uber Eats? Do you order pizza? No, not with my method. Nope. You just say, okay, we're going to have spaghetti tomorrow. And then you go to your freezer and you pull out some Korean beef that you made maybe a couple months ago. And it's nicely all packed up in the freezer, very fresh. And you pull out your emergency stash of cooked rice and you put it all in a bowl and you heat it all up, and then you have dinner in, less than 10 minutes. Super easy, super fast. I call it fast homemade food. So imagine how great that would be if you could do that. Wouldn't it be great? Plus, you'd save a lot of time, energy, and money. So let me tell you a little bit about the backstory about how we got here. Two important events led up to this from last year, actually. It started out as a little seed that Sandra Yancey, the founder of eWomen, I was in her mastermind group last year, and she said, Amy, I think you should do a membership. And at the time, I just couldn't even see it. Sorry, Sandra, I couldn't see your vision. And I just couldn't see it at all. And then I worked in the mastermind and kind of put that idea, to the side. And then last year in the fall, I did a bonus call with Cookie Rosenblum for Weight Loss Made Real. And she asked me if I would maybe do a call for her members on taking the stress out of meal prep. And I thought, oh, sure, I can do that. And so I did. And oh my gosh, I had no idea how great that class, how everybody would love it. What I thought was ordinary ideas, it was extraordinary to some people. And I just thought, everybody knows how to do this, but not everybody knew how to do that. So that's kind of what got me thinking. And so the class, I love that group. They're just so supportive. Anyway, that whole class inspired me to write a book this year called The Power of Food Prep. And so I wrote the book. It's coming out in August 10th. And after I wrote the book, or actually I was towards the end of writing that book, that is what I want to talk to you about today. I decided to create a founding member launch for my new membership called Food Prep for Foodies. And now, Sandra, I can see the vision. So finally, I just couldn't see it before. I couldn't see the ideas, but now I've got it. But I'm super excited about you. Can you tell? Oh, and I got all these comments. Oh, I love you guys too. Hi, Jennifer. Just great to see everybody. And technology is all new to me, so, excuse me if I'm looking at my paper and looking at my computer and all that. I'm doing my best here. I love teaching. I love cooking. Many of you know I used to be a special ed teacher a long time ago, so teaching is in my blood. And while I food prepped all the time, I would have company, and my aunt and uncle would come, and my parents would come, and everybody, oh, that's a neat idea. I never thought about doing that. And so all these little ideas that I just thought were ordinary were not. And so that's why I'm putting this all together, this membership. And I would love to teach you about my Gourmet Done Skinny meal method. So would you want to learn how to cook only 3 days a week but enjoy meals all 7 days? Would you want a flexible meal prep program that works with your schedule? Would you want to learn and watch me make recipes virtually? I used to teach actually live classes when I had the tea room. That was so much fun, but that's a little bit difficult these days. But would you like to be able to chat in the text while I'm cooking and ask me questions? Would you want me to create special recipes exclusively for the members? That's what I want to do. And would you like to learn exactly how to food prep the way I do it? And it's not the big exhaustive day like everybody thinks it is. I see these things on Instagram and Facebook, these pictures of the black boxes all lined up, and it has like chicken and rice and asparagus, and it's like 5 days of that. That is not how I food prep at all, not even close. And I don't do the big prep day where you spend all weekend working on your meals for the month, and then you're just exhausted at the end. That's just not what I do either. So I have a very different method for that. And that's what I want to show you. Would you want to see how food prep works for a family and also works for even a household of one? It works very well for both. Would you want to see how healthy gourmet food prep saves you time, money, and effort? It actually saves you a ton of money. I've been doing the research for my book, and compared to like HelloFresh and Blue Apron, they're a little bit different purpose than what my program is. They don't want leftovers. They don't want extras. They do everything exactly what you need. But you have to cook, 7 days a week or 5 days a week, however, and go out the other 2. But I did the math, and you save $15,000 by cooking it yourself versus doing those programs. And would you like to see how easy it is to make gourmet food and preserve it for meals later? Would you also like a place where we could collaborate with each other and share ideas and menus and recipes? This is what I'm envisioning. So this is my vision. I'm going to teach you my method. I'm going to show you all the equipment. I'm going to show you how to use the equipment. And then we're going to practice. We're going to do it. And then I'm going to show you how easy it is to pull things out of your freezer and create a meal in less than 10 minutes oftentimes. So you're not cooking every day. It's just amazing all the fun things that you can have tucked away in your freezer and pull out. My family's always excited whenever they come visit because I just like, oh, this would be good and this would be good. And I'm going to show you how to do all of that. So if you're a beginner to cooking, I would also like to show you how to do basic kitchen skills and use appliances. So I will be doing that. So you don't have to be an advanced person in the kitchen. Well, I'm creating such a place, and it's all in my Food Prep for Foodies membership. And I'll be giving you a tour of my kitchen, because a lot of people like that. My pantry, not quite yet, because I need to clean it out a little bit. My freezer, my kitchen drawers, with all my favorite tools. And in the membership, we'll also have question and answer days. We'll have live cooking at least once a month, and we'll have a question and answer day at least once a month. So you can ask me questions, and we can strategize how to best do your food prep. My biggest goal is to give you a clear path to get from no prepping or from eating out and using delivery and meal prep services to prepping your own healthy meals without stress in a short amount of time. Obviously, this is a new membership, and I don't have it all figured out. That's why it's called a founding member launch. But I want to invite you to join me, and I need your help. That's why this membership is going to be small. That's why it's priced the way it's priced. The next time I launch, which I'm not sure when it's going to be, maybe in the fall or maybe in January, it will be definitely more money. The people that join today or join by the 26th of June will get the best price ever, and they will be locked in, so you don't have to worry about that. But I'm counting on you for your help, and with your valuable feedback, together we can build a fantastic community, and I just can't wait to work with you all about all this. So let me tell you, one thing too, also that we're going to be doing for this launch, when you sign up, you'll get a couple emails, and one of the emails has a schedule a 15-minute call. It can be a regular phone call, it can be over chat, it can be a Facebook call. We'll figure out how we want to do it, depends on the individual. It'll be about 15 minutes, and I want to talk to you about what you want to see in the membership. What would be helpful for you? What would help you meal prep for your family better? So that's included in this launch, and I doubt I will be doing it for the next launch, but this launch, I want your opinions, I want your ideas, and so that's what that is. So you need to think about how much money you spend ordering out if you do Uber Eats or pizza or go out to eat or HelloFresh or Blue Apron. So in my membership, you're going to learn how to do all of this wonderful food prep and save yourself money, and there's no preservatives or little preservatives. It all depends on what recipes you use. So anyway, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. First let me just see. Let's see. I'm going to get to, all right. Hold on a second. This is me learning my stuff here. All right. I want to show you a little sneak peek. Hopefully I can do this. Okay, there you go. Can you all see that? Oops, that's not it. Hold on. There. Can everybody see the screen? Can somebody give me a thumbs up or something in the little chat? Can you see it? I think it takes about 30 seconds. It's a delay on the comments. But anyway, you can kind of see how, oh, good, I got a thumbs up. Great. You can kind of see how the membership hub is. This is a whole totally different hub. It is not on the Gourmet Done Skinny website, although we do have that faster now, which is great because that's been a big problem for a while. But this is its own thing. There are no ads on it. It's just for you. I'll give you a little site tour. I've got welcome videos. I've got why to food prep. I've got equipment basics. And then I've got the GDS, the Gourmet Done Skinny method, which we will be coming. I'll be rolling that out slowly because I need everybody to be on the same page as far as how to use the equipment and how to do things. So that's what that's about. And let's see. On the membership, let me see. Can you all see that one now? I'm not sure. I think you can. Oh, let me get over here. There we go. Yep, you can. Okay. So to get to the sales page, it's membership.gourmetdoneskinny.com. And it's going to be up till the 26th, so you don't have to look at it right now. But I just wanted you to be aware of where it is. And let me go back to the, there we go. All right. Now, does anybody have any questions for me? Let me go back through the chat and see if I have any already. Let's see. Oh, Susan said, I love special recipes for members. Great. Yes, I will definitely have special recipes just for you. And what also I might be doing is, well, I know what I'll be doing is I might create a recipe that goes on the blog that's the main, like say Kahlua pig. That one's already on the blog, but say it's Kahlua pig. But then in the membership, I will give you 4 different recipes how to take that Kahlua pig and turn it into the Thai pork pizza, the wraps, the salad, all sorts of different things. So there'll be like 4 recipes based on that one from the blog. So I'm going to be doing some of that. Plus you'll have your own special recipes as well. So let's see. Oh, and Lonnie's one of my wonderful friends from Canada, and she says, watching you do recipes is going to be so much fun, not to mention educational. Lonnie has a school actually in Canada, and she and I are talking about collaborating and maybe teaching her students how to food prep. Wouldn't that be great as a parent if your kids knew how to food prep and cook? Wouldn't that be amazing? I think it would be great. Let's see. All right. All right. Oh, Susan says, you always take the best food pictures. Everything looks great or looks good enough to eat. That's great. Oh, and then somebody asked, does it work with any diet? Actually, it does. I'm not doing diet specific on this website. I mean, on the membership hub. But if your recipe is able to be frozen or it can be in the fridge for a couple days, this method really involves the freezer. So it's better if you can have recipes that are able to be frozen. However, I am going to be bringing in experts on certain diets and lifestyles. Like my friend Gina, who's on here, she does vegan with curves. And so I've already asked her. So she's going to be one of our guest speakers in a few months. And we're going to talk to her about what recipes would work well with the method. So we'll be doing that. And I have a gluten-free person lined up. So if that's something that you're interested in, obviously on our call, be sure and tell me that so I can make sure that I get those people. I know a ton of food bloggers, so I just need to find the right ones for you. So yes, I can do that. Let's see. Susan says, will we be able to talk with each other in the community too and share our food photos? Yes, definitely. Yes, I forgot to mention the community. Yes, we will have our own private Facebook group called Food Prep for Foodies. And you'll be able to share recipes, talk to each other, say, hey, I made this, it didn't work. Or, hey, I made this, I took the Kahlua pork and I did this with it. And you can share all your recipes and you can share your wins and your, anything that you want to share about food prep or health in general. So great question. Thank you. Oh, and Kathleen says, I have a few friends with specific diets like gluten-free and dairy-free. They would love to help. Oh, perfect. That's great. Because, the way I feel is everybody is an expert at certain things. And I am not an expert at gluten-free. I'm not an expert at vegan. I know what I love to do, and that's what I do. But I feel like I don't want to be a jack of all trades. I would rather talk to Gina and have her tell me all about vegan and the vegan lifestyle and how we can make it work with the food method. So I am definitely going to get different people to come help us with the special things, just because, I want the best for you guys. So. Oh, Gina's giving me all sorts of loves and kisses. Great, 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 great. Well, let's see. I think that's all I had today. Oh, I guess you want to know the price. Duh. Okay. Oh, the first 10 that sign up will get not both, but just one of these. Let me show you what they look like. This is one of the things that I like to use, the super cubes. And I have a new way to use it. I'm really excited about showing you that because it's something that's not even in the book because I didn't even think about it till later. So the first 10 that sign up that do the founding member, the lifetime subscription, will get one of these. So, all right. So now to the good stuff. I know everybody wants to know. Let me get my paper so I make sure I say it right. Okay, so the founding member price is $17.95 a month. You can cancel anytime if it's not working for you. You know, feel free to cancel. Or it's $179.50 per year. But the best value right now, and this one's only going to be offered one time, is $297. That's for lifetime. That's for this membership, and so you'll have access to it, forever. And then when I do relaunch, the price will go up, but the lifetime will not even be available. I'm only doing lifetime for the first one because I want to talk to you all about. I want to get your ideas, and we're building this community together. So the lifetime is kind of a special thing, and it's only offered this one time for you all. So yes, so that's it. $17.95 a month, $179.50 per year, or $297 for lifetime. And to where you go is, let me put that on there for you so you can see it. It's membership.gourmetdoneskinny.com. And you can read through the, let's see if I can scroll a little bit. You can read through it all, and it has all these different examples and testimonies and all sorts of different things. So you can read through there and see what you like and see if it's for you. And I would love to have you as a founding member. I'm so excited to be here, and I can't wait to get started. Unfortunately, the holidays kind of messing things up a little bit, so we'll have to figure out when our first call is going to be. But I'm hoping to do Monday the 27th, I believe, for the first call. And if you can't make the call, it's not a problem. They're going to be recorded, so you'll always have access to that. On the hub, there's a little place that says Facebook Lives, and so that'll be the most recent live will be on there for you. So, all right, let's see if we have any more questions. Let's see. All right. Lonnie said, I obviously used to live under a rock. Oh, here, I'll show you. Because before I met you, I had never heard of super cubes. Love them. That's great. That is great. Oh, hey, there's my cousin. Oh, I got everybody in here too. Hi, Stephanie. So I didn't realize this would be so quick, but that's it. So check it out and see what you think. And I can't wait to get going with you all on this. So anyway, thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you in our membership. So take care. Bye.